Step 1. Gently file the surface of the gel polish to remove any shine using Step 3 on the buffer. The top layer won't soak off, so it's important to buff this away. Step 2. Using the pre-soaked removal wraps, tear off edge and place one finger in each wrap. Remove to reveal sticky seal to hold in place and leave for 5 minutes. Step 3. Using a steel cuticle pusher, gently remove the product from the nails, working from the cuticle down to the tip of the nail. Step 4. Using the buffer, you can remove any remaining gel polish on the nails, making sure to go gently in sweeping motions. Then follow the numbered steps on the buffer to add a shine. Now you can apply your cuticle oil and any hand creams to nourish the cuticles and nails.